Over here is my closet. It is a good amount of space. It's definitely bigger than my other closet. It's more enclosed. I'm really excited about the closet space. You guys know me, I'm used to tearing things down, but I don't think I'll be doing a whole lot of that, being that I want to get my security deposit back this time, you guys. Being that this is a small space, I have to get really creative with how I utilize it. I'm focusing on storage, organization, practicality, and lighting. My closet already has an overhead shelf and a hanging rod, which is a plus. I just want to install lights for functionality. I want to build a custom shelving for my shoes. I'll use fabric bins to store foldable clothes, and for a modern look, I want to purchase a display dresser. This is the dresser in question that I purchased from Wayfair. It was only $106.99. I love the display countertop because it allows you to see inside of the extra small top drawers, and it reminds me of a store boutique with its 6 LED lighting options. Of course, I got gray velvet hangers. They're super cute. They're so thin, so you can fit 1,000 clothes in the closet. The hangers move. They do the work for you. I got this hat organizer, and you guys, all these things will be linked in the description. This is really cool. I have like 7 pairs of hats, and I have 2 of these. It just snaps the hat right in like a little clip. I'm also going to be organizing my bottoms into these gray fabric bins that I got from Burlington. I've been had this wicker basket. It was at my uncle's house and I just kept it. These are some humongous bins. I got 4 of them for like $45. Really nice cloth sturdy baskets. I have like leggings, workout clothes, jeans, sweats, and it's amazing. Love it so much. This is what the closet looks like. So now I'm just gonna build my little shoe space over here. I just want a shelf there and a shelf there, and I want it to keep going down. I took a trip over to IKEA so that I could look for lighting and shelving. I was able to find the recessed lighting that I used in my last closet makeover, but I didn't find the shelving in sizes that I needed. So I ended up coming over to Home Depot, where they were able to customize some shelves for me. So here they are, just cutting the shelves to size, and then I'm going to grab some brackets that I could use to install these floating shelves into the closet. We will be installing these 22-inch shelves that I got from Home Depot. I got 5 of them, and I got 2 of them cut in half because I want to do like corner shelves. I also got 12 brackets. Okay, so I laid the shelf down flat on the floor. These are 24 by 10 because I wear a size 7 in girls, so the shelf has to be at least 10 inches going this way. And then I got these brackets that are gonna go underneath the shelf, and they're gonna lift the shelves up, so they're gonna be floating shelves. I just finished building the shelves, you guys, so let me show you how they came out. These shelves were such a breeze to build, and they can fit about 30 pairs of shoes easy. I also bought some little jewelry inserts. It comes with these jewelry inserts, but I don't like them. So I bought these jewelry inserts, some glasses ones and these ones. But I'm about to put my inserts in here, organize this, and see how this comes out. This is the view from the top of the display counter. Really cutesy with all my glasses on the left side, and on the right side we've got all of my jewelry. It actually took me quite a while to Tetris all these different organizers inside of the drawer, but once I got it, it came out real nice, and I got these organizers from Amazon. Now I'm going to install this beginner-friendly Vaxmyra lighting kit that I picked up from IKEA. I got 2 packs of these, so I'll be using 4 lights in total, 2 at the very tops of my closet and then 2 in the middle. I've also got my staple gun here that I got from Home Depot. The brand is Arrow, just in case I need to hide my wires. This is what I will be using to do that. All the wires of the 4 lights will go into here, and then it connects into one outlet. We're going to take the back plate off of the light cover, and we're going to stick this piece first where we want it in the closet. I want it up here. I'm just going to go ahead and take this. Just going to stick it right here. Put the wire in between that. Okay, so you take the wire cover, and this is easy, y'all. It literally just snaps. So we have one on this side, and we have one on this side. It comes with this little switch, and boom. It comes with one wire cover, and then I just stapled it all the way across, and then I came all the way down, stapled it all the way down along the side of my closet, and then I'm gonna just put it behind the shoe case. We love IKEA here. But I got these small wall hanging bags that go in your closet. Some extra storage for shoes, or hats and scarves and belts. This is pretty much just the last touch. So you guys, my hair looks different because I got it done for Valentine's Day. It just comes with this little hanging part like this. And so I guess you just have to inflate it with your hand. And then boom. Or maybe I just might have them on one side, one up here, one down here. I'm putting it all the way up here, y'all, like I can really reach. You can take these little Hermes slides, pop them in, put the little Telfar slides on this side. Yeah, little fluffy Target slides. Definitely the Birkenstocks, because these act like they can't fit nowhere. Y'all, that's a good space saver. And it's cute, and you can put some other stuff. I live in a studio, so I need all the extra storage I can get. And just like that, it is complete. I checked off all of my boxes of storage, organization, functionality, and lighting. I just love waking up every day and opening my luxury closet, being able to see and locate everything that I need so easily, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you would have added. And please don't forget to check the description box for all the links to everything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.